Let me start with a test. Don't overthink it. Just answer in your mind. You clicked this video. Why? Curiosity? The title? The thumbnail? A feeling that this might be important? Here's the twist. An AI system predicted the exact millisecond you would click before you felt the desire to click. Your decision-making hasn't disappeared. It has been rewritten. Let me show you. You open Instagram for 1 minute, and suddenly it's 20. You watch one YouTube short, and your brain asks for just one more. You see a recommendation and think, actually, I do want to watch this. No, you didn't. Not at first. Your nervous system is being shaped by AI systems that predict your behavior in real time. This is not classic manipulation. This is environmental design. The algorithm doesn't force your choice. It frames it. For thousands of years, humans made decisions with two systems. System 1, fast, emotional, automatic. System 2, slow, deliberate, analytical. But today, there is a third system, AI-driven decision architecture. It doesn't live in your brain, it lives around your brain. Here's what it does. It predicts your next micro-action. It tests multiple scenarios on you. It shows you the version that keeps you engaged the longest. Your brain sees one path. The system saw 1 million. You still choose, but you choose inside the environment it builds. Micro-decisions accumulate. They become habits. Habits become identity. Artificial intelligence doesn't need to change big decisions if it can tilt the small ones. Here's the part most people never hear. You are not powerless. AI doesn't override your mind. It partners with your automatic system. It only works when you're unaware. The moment you see the pattern, you break the pattern. Awareness isn't abstract. It is a neurological interruption. The moment you recognize the trigger, the architecture loses its grip. You don't need to fight the system. You just need to see it. Here is a simple tool, the 3-second reclaim. Whenever you open an app, tap a video, scroll a feed, or feel an urge, pause, just 3 seconds, and ask, did I choose this, or did the algorithm choose for me? This tiny interruption resets the loop. It breaks predictive modeling. It restores conscious choice. 3 seconds is all it takes to shift from automatic to deliberate. If you're still here, you're not just watching, you're awakening. You want to understand how your mind works in a world where algorithms think alongside you. This channel is for people who want deeper awareness, not simple answers. The future won't belong to the fastest thinkers. It will belong to the most conscious ones. If you found this valuable, like the video, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments. Until then, goodbye.